Mema kwa ba eba official top image ma dey use. Na video me kire how for so na say kwan for so but they will create bootable USB drive. Na bootable USB drive anya de bia anya pen drive kokoto na but na dey be install Windows. Pen drive about to na the files the files be na say Windows files na dey go pen drive no so na dey faster na dey work for Windows. In the video, my phone call a laptop no screen and I'm in chill, point for so bad. But this are files the Google pen drive was now they start to install it. Oh, yes, now my office. First of all, no, yeah, by me laptop screen no. I mean about first of all, near my be here. As no I bootable no pen drive. Pen drive no so I say me recommend am say 8 gig and above. Yeah. 8 gig and above. So the bit more it's my different types of Windows. Say in case be so use 4 gig wait me there but if I know 4 gig no maybe Windows 11 until find it. Now Windows be apart from be Windows 11 Linux ni aka be maybe until find it enye. Na another item I see here Windows no nka say okay the download free online and send out all the files na be good pen drive no so ti wa download bibia online no we be if me be chiro ti han be ni Windows 10 ni ti wa download we free online no wa download we free we 4 gig size na 4 gig ti wa check it. This is the 4 gig ya enye de 4.6 gig into 4 gig pen drive nye. This we use we friend 16 gig and I say 8 gig and above for bit me there na 8 gig bit me there. This is no oba power ISO. Sa software na there the base. Uni bia uko online na search power ISO. E be no dey wa download. To download we are now install we are na or run application as administrator. Running as administrator. Now PM application and AB. They be na continue on registered. Now ako. And all your process we need na. Now the pen drive now they be bootable no. Pen drive now so the files go so no. Now the pen drive 19 ashim. Do shema na ko tools. Tools no aba form. Aba see na bo create bootable USB drive. Hana for create bootable USB drive no so abos. Higher way USB destination no. So here then okay we insert the open drive ni my they say different port. I say I be pen drive na be we never we no open drive no. You see an onion if you close no. How close button me now say use create your bootable USB drive. What's that drive now show her? Drive now show her no. Now I can select it. Oh, setup now down Windows now download free online. Now I can select it no. Now I'm open also. Writing method. What do you go? Hard disk drive no so the NRD go so. If one go maybe SSD and I say different way. You go hard disk drive no so. Now I select it. Now I start. To start, I'll say all data in USB drive will be overwritten. Do you want to continue? Okay. Okay now. Never be a open drive no so bedding. Bit deleted so. About we opening USB drive for writing. Start writing USB drive. Start say writing and be also be no automatically no bedding bit deleting. What top was say writing USB drive 0. Tihano. Restart say the load. Say go 100. Tim pese me dem skip we no kakra. Ti my increase speed no say the we den. Ibenya ntem na video no say the enye tintini bebre yo. Ti o say den me dey we skip video no. No dey we are no. You're trying to load is 100 pena Yeah, the congratulations. Yeah, to my day, yeah, Bootable now we. Now on my next video, no, with the content, I will bomb my day. What my day? I install a different Windows, bit say Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows 8. So you be new to this channel. Yeah, you post videos and I content. I bet boy, our Ghana here. Unimadi now, you know. Yeah, content about technology. It is be a question be to my leave that way video description or na ebe the web wow my they are sort of question out. See on 98 to 98 let's say heading a train na do 100 na yeah they complete 99. See train kahona say writing successful, writing drive successful. Now book na how close on up thing. Now be file explorer no. Ubia now call this PC. Now call USB. See will be where writer we never say na set up no da. Say Ghana ni bia na say student and I will be a kasa video no video we no follow step na me use na me create bootable we ya with my do to bootable no dey there install Windows said the ebe ma Ghana be Windows corrupt ya we dey ba kuma obi our continent na be wajin be 30 to 40 cities so better am I Ghana buy no so no why dey no happen. Follow top image or Facebook, go YouTube or subscribe on the videos of our Ghana hire. Yeah, we know. Say if you post a video now in chat and I say, oh, the question now in chat here, leave it to comment section as then reply as soon as possible. Follow for more videos. Check on the screen for more videos like this. Bye for now.